Sunnyhowe is an ISO 9001:2015 certified manufacturer specializing in CNC machining and 3D printing services for various industries, such as industrial machinery, robotics and automation, aerospace and aviation, medical, consumer electronics, automotive, etc. Sunnyhowe are equipped with state-of-the-art CNC machinery and precisely measuring instruments, including 3- and 5-axis CNC machines, high-speed CNC machines, Swiss lathes, slow-feeding wire-cut machines, grinders, 3D printers, coordinate measuring machines, vision measuring machines, hardness testers, 3D video microscopes, and so on. With a full range of equipment and experienced engineers at Sunnyhowe, CNC machining parts can be manufactured with an accuracy of up to 0.002 millimeters. We can not only process single parts, but also assemble high-precision parts for you. We provide 20-plus surface finishing options for parts, such as anodized, bead blast, brushed, spray painting, powder coat, chrome plating, electro-polished. Processing intricate parts daily, we meet the strictest precision requirements from our customers. We ensure the highest accuracy for complex parts with our 4 state-of-the-art CMMs. Along with delivering high-quality parts, we provide CMM test reports to ensure transparency and confidence. Many of our customers have expressed strong trust in our services, appreciating our ability to meet their demanding specifications with consistent, reliable results. There are some parts we ever made before for your reference. You can find more samples on our website. Look forward to working with you and helping you achieve commercial success.